We're going to get ready to program our kiln to do a full fuse firing for us. I'm going to be getting my information right from the System 96 Spectrum Glass Getting Started with Kiln Fired Glass booklet. I'm opening it up to page 11, and you'll see that it's giving us a firing schedule for a full fuse. I'm going to be starting off by hitting my ramp and hold button. So we're going to depress that button, and you'll notice that it comes up with the word user. It's asking me which user I'd like to be. I've programmed this kiln already for a tack fuse, which was user 1, a contour fuse, which was user 2, so now for a full fuse, which really is the most common in glass fusing, I'll be user number 3. So I'm going to say user 3, enter. Now something you might notice while I'm programming this, it will remember all of the other programs. Some of the numbers that you'll see flashing on the readout might be the exact same target temperatures for the previous firings. I don't ever trust it, and I will always try to put them back in again. So you might see a repetitive thing happening here with the programming. So it's asking me now how many segments will be in my firing schedule. So if I look at my program, you'll see that it's got 4 segments in our full fuse program. So I'm going to hit number 4 and enter. Now it's asking me the rate of firing. How many degrees per hour do I want the temperature to climb? For this segment, I'd like it to be 325. You'll notice it's the same for all 3 of our firing programs. But I'm going to go ahead and go through the motions of programming that in. 325. Enter. What's my goal temperature? For this segment, the first segment, we want it to reach 1350 degrees. So I'm just going to hit 1, 3, 5, 0. Enter. Now we want it to hold there for a certain amount of time. For this program, 20 minutes is appropriate. So I'm going to hit 2, 0. Enter. So our first segment is now complete. Now it's jumping down to our second segment. It's asking me what rate do I want this to climb. We want this to go a little bit faster, so it's going to be 600 degrees, 600, per hour. Enter. Now our target temperature, we want it to be 1475, 1475, enter. And we'd like it to hold there for 10 minutes. Now we'd like it to go as fast as possible. Again, it's the same in all of our programs. So we want to punch in 9999, enter. And we'd like it to hit 950 degrees. That's so the glass has time to anneal. 950. I'll explain annealing in another segment. Enter. We'd like that to be quite a long time, 40 minutes. 40. Enter. Now we want to cool it down a bit, so we're going to go to 150 degrees per hour till our target temperature of 800 degrees. Enter. And we want it to again hold for 10 minutes, so 10. Enter. This is for the alarm. We don't need an alarm. Enter. Now it's ready to hit the start button. All programmed, ready to go. So when I hit start, it will begin the full fusing cycle. Enter. Start. Ready to go.